Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify charge speed using Tesla wall connector logs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that your Tesla wall connector is properly installed and connected to power. Open the Tesla app on your smartphone. Navigate to the charging section within the app. Look for the charging stats or charging logs option. Tap on it to access the charging history. Identify the specific charging session you want to verify. Check the start and end times of the charging session. Take note of the total duration of the charge. Locate the energy delivered metric for that session. This value indicates how much energy was transferred during the charge. Now, determine the maximum charge rate that your wall connector can provide. This information can typically be found in the installation manual or settings. Calculate the average charge speed by dividing the energy delivered by the total duration. Make sure to convert units as necessary for accurate results. For example, if you received 40 kWh over 8 hours, the average would be 5 kilowatts. You can also compare this average speed with the maximum charge rate. This will help you identify if your vehicle is charging efficiently. If you notice any discrepancies, consider checking the wall connector's firmware. Ensure that your wall connector is updated to the latest version. You may also want to check the vehicle settings for any charging limitations. Gathering this data can help you understand your charging efficiency. Refer to Tesla's support documentation for further technical assistance. Once you've gathered your data, document it for future reference. This information may come in handy for troubleshooting or optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.